Hello everyone, it's Brian from Image Armor and RTP Apparel, and you might be asking yourself, why in the world is he standing outside where it's cold? It's that time of year, and for the direct-to-garment printer, this time of year can be very challenging. In the wintertime, a lot of facilities will utilize forced air to heat the printing department. It's very, very important to make sure you keep a good steady temperature and humidity level. The problem with forced air is it will drop the humidity level significantly to the point where it can cause problems for your direct-to-garment printer. One of the best things you can do, and tips that you can utilize in your own shop, is to grab a simple temperature and humidity monitor. These are generally available for between $10 and $20. Keep it next to your printer and you'll be able to monitor at any point in time what the humidity levels are. Refer to the printer and ink manufacturer specifications also. They will generally give you a range for the temperature and humidity levels that you should remain within. It's easy in the wintertime to drop down into the teens or low 20s with a forced air system, or if you're located in the southwest or a desert type area. The best thing you can do there is purchase yourself a full room humidifier to bring those humidity levels up and keep them there. Low humidity levels will create a lot of problems for direct-to-garment printers by drying out the inks quicker, causing problems with print heads, wiper blades, and even the capping stations. So remember, in the wintertime, make sure to keep your humidity levels up, comfortable temperature for printing, and keep your printer happy. God, I hope I get this right. It's getting cold out here.